Welcome. In this video we will be going over how to process endorsements online with Unique Insurance Company. First off, we'll be pulling up policy information once logged into the Unique website. Do that by going to Policies and then Policy Search. We'll be looking up policy information for the policy we want to process a change on by either looking up the policy name or finding the policy number. In this case, I'll be searching by last name. You'll see that to the left of the insured's name is the policy number. In this case, I'll be copying this number. We'll then go to Policies and Process Change. Now once you get the Process Change box, you'll want to make sure that you have the effective date of the subsequent day. The endorsement is processed at the time it's issued, but the effective date is the subsequent day. In this case, August 11th. I'll then paste in the policy number and click OK. The first type of endorsement we will be processing is a non-money endorsement. In this case, we will be doing a name change. For different types of endorsements, you will refer to the transaction reason drop-down box. In this first case, we will select Change Named Insured. Beneath the transaction reason is a remarks box. This allows you to add information that can print out on a confirmation page for your client. Once that information is in place, we can click Submit. You'll see that we've been taken back into the original quote screen for the insured. By scrolling down in the Policy Info tab, we will click on Change Primary Policyholder. We can then change the name of the insured and click Save. We will then change the name of the driver under the Drivers tab. We click on Edit and then once again change the name. Once that information is in place, we can click Save. Once all the necessary information is in place for an endorsement, you can either click on the rate icon or the View Quote tab. Once you reach the View Quote tab, you can confirm that your information has changed, in this case the applicant name, and you will see at the bottom that there was no change in written premium since this was a non-money endorsement. Assuming all information is correct, you can click Submit. You can then click on the policy number and go to Policy History. Under the Policy History tab, you can see that the Change Named Insured endorsement has been processed. This concludes the non-money endorsement. We will now move on with a money endorsement. So once again, we will go to Policies and then Process Change. Again, we will put tomorrow's date for the effective date, and we'll put in our policy number. In this case, we'll be doing a money endorsement, adding a vehicle to the policy. Under the Transaction Reason box, we will select Add Vehicle. Again, we have the option of adding a remark. Click Submit. You'll see that once again we have returned to the original quote screen. We're going to want to click on Vehicles and then click Add. We'll select the year and make of the vehicle and then Make Model Lookup. Like in the original quoting process, we want to make sure we have the information in place that has a red asterisk next to it. Once that info is in place, we can click Save. Since we've added a vehicle, we want to select the coverages for that vehicle by clicking on the Coverages tab. And then you'll see the new vehicle is in place for coverages. You'll want to click on the select button to the left of that vehicle in order to select the coverages. Again, when we have all our information in place for the processing the endorsement, we have the option of either clicking on the rate icon or view quote. Once we reach the view quote tab, by scrolling down you'll see that there has been a change in written premium. In this case, in the amount of $160. If all the information looks in place, you can click submit. At this point, direct bill agents will be asked to make a down payment for the endorsement that has just been processed. Agency bill agents will be giving the policyholder number. You can click on that. And the final tab to the right, we can click on is policy history. And we see that the add vehicle endorsement has been processed. This concludes the Unique endorsement video. Please feel free to contact Unique's marketing department with any questions or comments. Thank you.